How Shilajit is working and what are its benefits. There is no gainsay in the fact that Shilajit is a multi-purpose medicine, and I am very sure you must be wondering what makes this Shilajit that important. Well, Shilajit is so beneficial because its main component is fulvic acid. In fact, the concentration of fulvic acid in Shilajit is very high. Geologically speaking, fulvic acid has a natural trait of attracting all kinds of earth trace minerals and metals to itself. Analytically, in 2 million years' time, Shilajit will form a very complex chemical composition, also referred to as ionic trace minerals bonds, which is currently impossible to synthesize in a laboratory. These trace minerals, such as iron, zinc, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B complex, aid in fighting fatigue, increasing motivation, and tackling chronic problems connected with aging, including memory and reproductive system. Cuprum, nickel, calcium, manganese, silicon, and strontium helps in building resilience against various forms of arthritis, as well as making the bones and joints stronger. While retinol, vitamins A, C, and E, silver and cobalt, on the other hand, are beneficial for skin replenishment and blood circulation, and are also effective in the prevention of diabetes and asthma. In general, fulvic acid has about 85 different ionic trace minerals, including very rare earth metals. Biologically speaking, fulvic acid is so prolific in action to the extent that it can pass through the cell membrane and circulate its minerals within. The cell membrane immune system that is built in protection against anything bizarre. However, this cell membrane can't sense if something is healthy or not, so even strange but healthy stuffs are not able to go through. This explains why you can't just eat nutrients and be healthy. But like lightness to the end of a tunnel, the existence of fulvic acid inside the living cells changes the old story, as it does not only supply the cell with essential minerals, it firmly attracts the toxins by neutralizing their toxicity too. Another health feature that makes fulvic acid so beneficial is that it is the most powerful natural electrolyte, and it serves to balance cell life well. It is needed for the maintenance of good health in any organic body. The electrolytes restore each individual cell to its chemical balance, and when the potential is over, the cell dies. The process works in the same fashion for both plants and animals by dramatically increasing longevity. Have you ever been so curious about what makes the soil black? Calming your curiosity, the soil is black because its content is full of fulvic acid and other organic matter contents, and this enhances the quick germination of seeds. Consequently, fulvic acid is circulated into our system when we consume grown and cultivated plants. But alas, modern farming has utilized the soil so much that almost all the fulvic acid is gone. More so, the increase in demand for fast food has increased the use of special fertilizers in farming, so we don't really grow our plants naturally anymore. And the outcome is that we have more foods with less nutrients in them. Nonetheless, all hope is not lost. These nutrients deficiencies can be naturally compensated for through Shilajit. Thanks to goodness for our almighty Shilajit.